Welcome to everyone. This video is part of a series on introduction to cycles in stock market. In this video, you will learn how to use the support and resistance table from my weekly update. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe and click on the bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos. Before we start, make sure you read carefully the disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. In all my videos update you will find this table. On the left side you will find the trend and on the right part you will find support or resistance. How to use it? Let's start with the trend. The date will be the date for the coming week. The trend is the trend of the cycle, not the trend of the market. For the 10 days cycle trend, the peak of the cycle is the midpoint, 5 days. On the table when the trend is up, this means the cycle is on the left part of the cycle, before peaking. When the trend is down, this means the cycle already peaked and he is on his way down to form a low. On the tables, you will find the trend for each cycle, for the all following week. When many cycles are up at the same time, there is a high probability the market will go up. The question is, by how much? By what amplitude? All depend the other cycles. When you combine all cycle together, then you will have the trend of the market. For example, let's work with the 10, 20 and 40 days cycle. If the 10, 20 and 40 days cycle are up, there is a high probability the rally will be strong. Is the 10 and 20 days cycle are up but the 40 days is down, the rally will be moderate. If the 10 days up and the 20 and 40 are down, the rally will be a small amplitude. And of course, if the 3 are down, then the decline will be strong. The longer the cycles, the more influence they will have on the price's movement. The 40 days cycle will be more influent than the 10 days. On this chart we have 4 different cycles. When adding all the cycles together, this gives the following prices line. First, call that the principle of summation. We can see on this part of the price line, the market rose sharply, because all cycles are up after a major low. On this part of the price line the rally is moderate because some cycles are already down. In other words, they already formed their peak. The way you can use the trend is you can add all the cycle trend you are interested in to anticipate the power of the rally. Example, you can use a plus sign, plus symbol, or 1 each time the trend is up and sign or -1 when it's down. If the 10 days up, 20 days up, 40 days up, 80 days down, 20 weeks down, 40 weeks down, and the 18 months down, you will have the following result. The trend is down -1. Let's study the support and resistance lines. The support and resistance lines is where are the cycle lines compared to the price. If the prices are below the cycle lines, then the cycle lines become the resistance lines. If the prices are above the cycle lines, they become support. The following numbers show where is the cycle line will be at a given date. For example, on August 21st, one cycle line is at 33,494 and the second at 33,148. And if the market crossed below those two lines on this day, then the potential target zone will be between 31,300 and 30,617. To have a valid signal for the potential target, the midpoint have to cross both lines. Sometime it's happened the market don't cross the same day. The first line can be crossed on Monday and the second one on Thursday. In this case we have to wait until Thursday to confirm the signal. Here on the 10-day cycle, the cycle line become a resistance. This is where is the cycle line will be this week. And on the right the potential targets if the market cross above his resistance line this week. There is another use of the cycle lines. When the prices cross the cycle lines, this will confirm the peak or the low of the cycle. On this chart the market crossed below his 40 days cycle line, confirming the peak is at least a 40 days cycle peak. When the market crossed below the cycle line, he triggered a potential downside target which has been met 7 days later. This is the end of this video. Thank you for following me. Next week I will publish another video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe and click on the bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos.